And in one of my previous videos, I encourage everyone to learn forex trading or crypto trading or such skills. And I've seen many videos online that says that those skills are very, very difficult and that many people lose their money. Yes, I also have lost money to forex and to many other businesses. And many businessmen will tell you that there's no businessman or businesswoman who have not lost money in one way or the other in the process of doing the business that they are doing. Now, let me give you an example. A barrister, a lawyer, in the process of becoming a barrister, a lawyer, he spends money, he spends time, he finishes law school after 5 years in the universities, then he go to law school for 1 year, then he's called to the bar, going through a lot of things. That is 5 years and then 6 years. And some go into many, many things and they practice and practice and practice before they become renowned or become profitable from it. So it's not from the day one. In fact, it's even a good example. Lawyers go to court, they take a case to court. Do they win all the cases? They don't win all the cases. There are even some lawyers that lose almost all the cases they took to court, and yet they still move on with their lives. So in trading also, is a win. It's not just a winning streak. Sometimes you're going to make losses. Now, trading is a skill. Trading is something that you have to take personal. Now, some people have said that we should go for training. Yes, we should go for training. And if you want me to train you on forex trading, you can contact me and I'm going to guide you and put you through, no matter the level that you are. I have some videos on this channel talking about some forex trading tips. You can check them out, and if you have any question, you can ask me in that comment section of that very video. Now, talking about learning a skill or a trade, forex is a skill like medicine. Not everybody can practice medicine. Not anybody is a surgeon. Even those who practice medicine, not all of them are specialists. So it takes time, it takes effort, it takes attention. Some people perform some operation as medical doctors. Do they always succeed in all the operations that they do? No, they do not succeed in all the operations. They succeed in most. When you succeed in most, you are said to be successful. In fact, in some cases, succeeding in 50% is, in fact, doctors succeed in all their operations. So as a forex trader, you are also succeeding in all your operations. Let me tell you why I say they succeed. They succeeded in the operation, but the patient may not make it. So there are two different ball games. A doctor can succeed in an operation he's doing while the patient may not make it. So the doctor succeeded in doing the operation. The operation is to remove something from somewhere, or to stitch something up, or to open up something and correct something. He may succeed in doing that, but in the process of doing the operation, the patient may be put to sleep, and then the patient may not be able to wake up again. And it is not the fault of the doctor, it is the patient that did not wake up again. So the operation that the doctor did succeeded. In the same vein, you have learned forex trading skill. You place a trade, you succeeded in placing your trade, you've succeeded in placing the trade. That means succeeded in the trade. So whether the trade is profitable or negative, you have succeeded on your own part. You have succeeded as a trader in placing the trade. So it is not your fault if the trade goes against you. Did you get what I just said? It is not your fault if the trade you place in forex as a forex trader, if the trade goes against you. So don't be feeling bad that, oh, I placed this trade, the trade went against me. I placed that trade, it went against me. If the trade goes against you, then sit back and look up and look down, and then strategize and place another trade and see how it goes. Now, many forex traders more than 90% of forex traders make losses, and the reason is because of greed. The reason is not because they don't know, they don't have a skill. I did my first forex training was for 5 days in Lagos. I traveled to Lagos for 5 days then, and then from Monday to Thursday and thereabout, I came back on Friday. Give all the basics, fundamentals, and I was taught moving averages and then MACD. That was just it. And then I was trading demo, and for many times, for many months. I met somebody somewhere again in Lagos. He told me, he said, why are you trading demo? He said, no matter how small, put it into real account and trade it. And I now put like 5,000 or 4,000 naira, and I put it there, and I saw how it was doing. Then I put more money in it, and I saw how it was doing, and it was very successful. I was following until later on I started following other strategies. I left my strategy, I started following new strategies, and then I didn't use stop loss, and then I lost account, a blue account. Did I fail? No, I learned. That is part of the training fee you pay when you are in the process of learning. So I don't know the business you have done. I've talked about many business on this channel. I don't know the one you have done and you have failed, and you are thinking you have failed. You have not failed. You have only learned a way that the business should not be done. Practice makes perfect. Practice makes perfect. Many people want to go into ready-made things. It doesn't occur to everybody. Some are lucky in that direction and some are not lucky. And that is why we pray. That is why we seek the face of God. But do you now spend all the time praying? No. We have to pray and we have to work. Do you not spend all the time working? No. You have to also pray and then you have to learn. And then even if you have started trading forex or any kind of business you are doing, you still need training and retraining. And I am here to train you and to retrain you. I'm here to advise you. But the only thing is that I don't want people to come to my direct message or my WhatsApp and be asking me questions and questions. If you come there, I am going to charge you for training. I'm going to charge you for consultancy. So ask every question you want to ask on this YouTube channel in the description section below, and then everybody sees it and I respond to you, and then we flow. Then if you want specialized attention, you click on the join link below this video or below any of my video, and then you join my group where I am going to be exposing personalized information to you, and I can take you one-on-one, and then we can move on from there. But you see people coming to my DM asking me that they want to, how much is ice block machine. It shows that you have not paid attention to my videos, because in my videos I've made the video talking about how you can set up ice block business. I am the YouTuber that made the most video about ice block as far as YouTube is concerned. Any singular YouTuber that made videos about ice block, different videos talking about different components of ice block, I am the one. And it is this ice block business and ice block videos that brought me to limelight. Currently, personally, I am not into the ice block business in the physical terms again. I've moved above that level, but I am planning to get back there because the ice block business is still booming. It's not gone yet. But the issue with me is NEPA. The issue with me is PACN. You see, they can bring light now and take light later. Now rain want to fall, they will take the light. Now this one want to do, they will do. Now there's a fall, there's a this, there's a that. So what I want to do is to get solar panel and get very good machine that can freeze and make my eyes in 4 hours or 8 hours. And this costs a lot of money. And that is what I am looking at, gathering and seeing how I can settle down and be able to do that kind of business. So if you want to go into the business, that is the kind of thing I will expect to do, no matter how small it is. Get solar panel that can power the ice block machine, so you don't have to rely on NEPA and all the things that comes with it or any other thing. So you don't have to rely on generator also. So rely solely on solar, and then you can go on. Now there are people that are contacting me from India talking about this solar panel and other things, and I'm looking at it that yes, we can work together, and then there are many things talk from, and then we are still talking. So I am going to talk to you in the next one, because my wife has been signaling me that we need to get going now. We came to drop the children in their school, and then you can see children talking in the background, and students talking in the background of the video, and so this is where I'm going to stop. The name again is Dr. Olubenga Adetitun, and there's no time to waste. Every opportunity you have, you make good use of it. So that's why this content is coming to you now. Airdrop is still there, Pi network is still there. I'm going to leave the link to many crypto airdrops in the description section of this video. Go ahead and click it, like this video, and join all the crypto network. I have a dedicated WhatsApp group where I talk about crypto airdrops and other things. Join it also, and you are going to be glad with it. Until I see you in the next one, this video popping up by the side from my channel is the next you need to watch. See you in the next one. Bye bye.